about this one? You like this one?
That one's good.
Which one is this, buddy? What dinosaur is this?
I don't know.
No?
Hey, Dad, what's this dinosaur?
Maiasaura.
Cutie. Cuckoo. It's a great place. Highly recommend. For those of you that do come here. Oh, what's that? Lime brush. I'm not entirely sure what that is, but it's pretty cool. And as you guys can see, my time is limited as far as being out here because it's about to go down. But such is life. The Utah lifestyle. Let's get some shaky shots here. We got the driver today. The driver today is Caleb. It's apparently quite the view. Alright, this is too shaky. Okay. Where? What do we got? A snake?
Yeah.
Dude, I'm not getting too close.
You hear that rattle?
Oh, dude. She's getting up in the air too. There.
That's wild.
I'm not getting any closer. I'm not into snakes. Well, there you have it. Alright, let's get back on it. That's steep. It's no problem for the 4Runner. That's exactly what I built it for. That's a very steep hill, guys. I don't really know how to show you how steep it is, but I can assure you we've been climbing for a little while now. But yeah, here we are, rattlesnakes and all. That's crazy. He's still going. That's awesome. Yeah, let's see what kind of view we got going on from up here. I tell you, man, Utah never disappoints. I don't know about you guys. I love this. I could get used to this. All right. Looks like I'll be driving the way back. Love it. Oh, actually, I think we're about to approach the hill, aren't we? Where is it? I don't even know where it is. I know we can go this way, can't we? Guys, check out this view. This is amazing. I'm not entirely sure how high we are, but yeah, we have climbed pretty high up the mountain. This is as high as it goes. If you look up here, not too far from us, there's some snow and some beautiful homes, of course. We're gonna play a little game here. What do you think? You take the 4Runner, or you take that guy right there? I gotta say, man, not a Ford guy, but this one looks pretty cool. This must be the fancy one. Wow, it's fancy, all right. Excuse me. Oh, that's neat. I wonder what the wait time was on this. Yeah, drop it in the comments down below. Ford Bronco Raptor or this guy with all those miles. Oh, there you have it, guys. We're about 8,000 feet in June, and as you can see, very much surrounded by snow. Yeah, that is actually, let's see if we can zoom in, part of a ski resort. Very cool. I'd never thought I'd see snow in June, but I guess if you climb high enough, you can. And another thing I've seen, let's see if we can see it, right there. 4Runners everywhere you look. I love it, man. 60 degrees. We are definitely feeling it. We're gonna start descending, but I had to share with you guys for sure. This is beautiful.